gonna replace the radiator. This one's cracked and ended up leaving me stranded on the road. But we're gonna replace the radiator. While we're in there, we're gonna do a bypass on the transmission cooler due to it running through the radiator, and don't want that to fail and end up filling the trans full of water or coolant. So we're gonna replace that, do the bypass while we have it all together, which I've already pulled the grill, top radiator hose off, pulling this off. I'm gonna look in here and check some other things over while we're there, but we're gonna set up some videos and show you how to pull this radiator out and what to pull out. Looks like there's a bolt down there. There's gonna be a bolt up under here. Same on the other side, but pull these 4 out, pull the shroud off, and then pull those out, and should slide right out of there with the bottom hose unhooked in the transmission lines. We'll put some clips up and show how to remove this and go from there. Didn't take long at all. Had 4 bolts, had one here, one down low, another one over here, and then one behind the AC dryer. It was pretty difficult to get to, but other than that, it's ready to be pulled out. Got to pull the transmission lines off. It's in the bottom. We're going to route them around, put this external cooler up here and mount it, and then that'd be out of the transmission. But other than that, there wasn't nothing to it but pull it out, put the other one in, and then go from there. So all you gotta do is pull it out, set it aside, and swap the new one in. Not much to it. I'm gonna cap off the radiator spots. There's no need in having those now, so we're gonna bypass it, but super easy to put everything in here and put it back together. So what you gotta do is burst it up, put the hoses back on, and then run these hoses to this trans cooler, and we'll be good to go. When you pull the old radiator out, go ahead and take it outside because trans fluid went everywhere. Hey, don't drink that. Might not make it to see tomorrow if you drink that. I'd say if you're serious about changing it out and not doing anything else, it'd probably only take 30 minutes to change the radiator. Fluid's already drained if it busted. We're full. Once the thermostat opens up, it's going to drop down a little bit. We'll have to add some more to it. Let all the air bubbles get out of it.